Okay, third grade builder number 37. We're going to start by adding 300 plus 40. In the ones place, we have 0 plus 0, which is 0. In the tens place, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 3 plus 0 is 3. So our sum is 340. Okay, let's subtract 301 minus 62. Starting in the ones place, if I have 1 and I try to take away 2, I can't do it. So I go next door, but nobody's home. So I've got to keep walking down to my hundreds. I'm going to take one of these hundreds. Now I have 2 hundreds. I'm going to trade it in for 10 tens. So now I have 10 tens, but I still can't subtract 1 minus 2. But I can take one of my tens. Now I have 9 tens, and I have 11 ones. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 2 minus nothing is 2. So we have a difference of 239. On our fours, we can sing our fours song. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And they are right in order today. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Our fact family and our addition subtraction fact family, we have 3 plus 5 equals 8, and 5 plus 3 equals 8. Subtraction, 8 minus 3 equals 5, and 8 minus 5 equals 3. For multiplication division, we have 4 times 5 equals 20. We can use the commutative property and switch it. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. We've still got to start with the 20 again. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Divisible by 2. A number will divide evenly by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Circle the numbers divisible by 2. So a number is divisible by 2, able to be divided into groups of 2 if it's an even number. So 34 is an even number. 23 is not because it ends with a 3. 15 is not. It's an odd number. 28 is even. It ends with an 8. And 36 is even because it ends with a 6. Under the multiple representations, we have a strip diagram for the word problem. Coach Bill bought a bag of 12 suckers. This strip right here represents all 12 suckers. He gave 8 suckers to his players. So he's going to give away part of that 12. He's going to give away 8. And we have this part that is left. So we have 12. And we're going to give away 8. And if I have 12 and take away 8, we'll have 4 left. 4 suckers left. Under our graph, we have a pictograph showing Phil's milk servings per day. Our key says that each of these little symbols equals 1 serving. Which day did Phil have the most milk servings? So I can look over here and I see this is my tallest bar right here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that day. Well, what day was that? That was day number 3. Which day did Phil have the least milk servings? Well, looking at my days, it looks like day number 7, he didn't have any. So day number 7 would be the day that he had the least milk servings. How many total servings of milk did Phil have in the 7 days? Well, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. He had 16 total servings of milk for all 7 days. Okay, let's look at our number line. The intervals on this number line is counting by 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, 325, 350, 375, 400, 425, 450, 475, 500. Okay, our first number is 28. 28 would come right over here. 28 round to the nearest hundreds place. So it comes in between 0 and 100, and it's closer to 0. 230 would come past the 225. If we round it to the nearest hundreds, my hundreds are these numbers right here that are printed on the number line, 200 and 300. 230 is closer to 200. The 3 right here tells me that, the 30, because it's less than 250. And then 455 will come here after the 450. And rounded to the nearest hundred, between 400 and 500, 455 is past that halfway point, so it's going to go round up to 500. On our vocabulary, the amount of space on the surface of a two-dimensional figure is the area. The distance around the outer edge of a figure is the perimeter. The answer when you divide is called a quotient. Splitting into equal parts or groups, that is division. And a group of numbers that is related to each other is called a fact family.